Hi guys, back here for AI marketing this time, and we have a new thing in the back office. We can change the background color. As you can see here in the right upper corner, you can see the sun and the moon. So now it's on the sun, so it's white in the background, and when you click on the moon, it turns black. So that's a new thing in AI marketing. The next thing is that I'm going to not do any reinvestment anymore. I'm just going to just withdraw out of the system. So I did a withdrawal from my commissions, and I did that yesterday, and that money is in my wallet today. Okay, so AI marketing is paying out, and then I'm going to do a withdrawal today on this page also. So I wanted to do that with you guys. So let me scroll down and let me go to transfer. So as you can see in my cash back here, I have $54.28. Well, we all know that the transfer fee is $3 in whatever you're going to withdraw. Okay, so if you do $10, it's $7 that you get. If you do $100, then it's $97 that you get. Okay, so it's always $3 that is going to be taken off for the fee. So in this case, I know that $3 is going to come off. So I'm going to put in $53, okay? So I'm going to click on continue, and then, I'm going to select, of course, Bitcoin. Now, you can see here now that I will receive $50 because of the $3 fee. So, now I'm going to pause the video because I need to put my wallet address in here, and then I will come back to you guys. So I put in my wallet address right now, and I'm going to click on transfer. And here it says success withdrawal has been created. So I'm going to click OK. And then I don't have to do anything because my cashback right now here is $1.28. So if I go again to my transfer history, then you can see that I did a withdrawal today with you guys of $53, and it's in Bitcoin. So now I think it will take maybe a day or two. It doesn't matter for me. I'm patient, so I don't care. But I'm sure it will be paid, and I will let you know when it's in my Bitcoin wallet. So that's how you do a withdrawal here in the AI marketing part. So as I go to my stats for today, you can see that I had some sales already also, and my robot also stopped in between because I didn't do anything in it anymore. So I left it running, and then everything was run out. So he used and spent all the money that I was giving in a budget, of course. And then afterwards I was getting some money, so I'm reinvesting that, and then of course my robot started working again. So now he still has around about almost $40 left, because this is the difference between these two. So he has $40 left to spend for the advertisements, and then the robot is going to stop working again. So I'm going to leave it this way, and I'm going to do some withdrawals frequently, and we'll see how that will go. Okay, so that's it for a very short video of AI marketing. It's a very nice program, and yes, it pays out. The INB network commissions that I got from my team, thank you by the way guys, is transferred to my Bitcoin wallet, and it took me a day because I did that yesterday, and today it went to my Bitcoin wallet. So very, very nice, and very nice to know that this thing is also paying out. And that's what we all want to see and want to know. So very happy. And I hope you guys that are in AI marketing are enjoying this. So if you want to stay on earning, you can just reinvest in whatever you have in your cashback. And otherwise, just let your robot run out and get some money out. It's all up to you guys, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope I will see you guys next time. Bye!